Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Duo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see again a golden opportunity for the students who are studying in first standard to fourth standard, and this scholarship is sponsored by Alchem Laboratories in the name Sri Samprada Singh Scholarship Program for the student pursuing first standard to the fourth standard class, and the total amount will be given during this academic year 2021 and year 2022 is 30,000 rupees. Those students who are there in the first standard to fourth standard, if you are eligible, you are coming under this category, your income is less than 8 lakh rupees, you are eligible for this scholarship. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, A. Anjuman Khairul Islam's Pune College of Art, Science and Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India, and it is affiliated to Savitri Bai Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. First, we'll see the last date for this particular scholarship is 12th October 2021, and Sri Samprada Singh Scholarship Program is an initiative of Alchem Foundation to support the children who has left vulnerable and with a little no financial support for their further education owing to a COVID-led crisis in their families. So for this particular reason, they have given the scholarship for first standard to fourth standard. Similar one, they are giving a scholarship fifth onward to the graduation. So this is an important scholarship. So those who are eligible, they have to apply, and those students who are there in the fifth standard, seventh standard, 10th standard, 11th, 12th or graduation, they can go onto my channel. Shortly, I am going to upload all the videos which are there, which have been sponsored by the Alchem Foundation, that is Alchem Laboratories, giving a scholarship on the foundation, Alchem Foundation, on the name Sri Sampada Singh Scholarship Program for the year 2021 and year 2022. Since early 2020, COVID has devastated many families in India with 3.98 lakhs death till 30 June 2021 due to COVID-19. India is going through the biggest disaster of the century, with lakhs of families are devastated and facing crisis for the lifetime. Further increasing job losses are there. Unemployment has made it difficult for many families to support education for their children. So here the condition for this scholarship is there. Those parents who has lost, or those parent has lost their jobs and they are unemployed, they can apply for this scholarship for their children, and they can support with this scholarship to their education. Sri Sampada Singh Scholarship Program will provide the affected student with the scholarship so that they can continue their education without any hindrance, and the beneficiaries will be provided with mentoring as well as the guidance through the year 2021 and year 2022. Now we'll see the minimum eligibility for criteria class 1. Yes, here these scholarships which are there, they have been made separately. I have made club together because they have the common thing. First standard to fourth standard, they have the common thing. So I have made, compiled and make a one video on that. So here the qualification criteria is minimum 35% marks in senior KG. Those who are applying for first standard, for senior KG, they at least they have minimum 35%. That is the primary and secondary course level, first standard for all genders, and the income of the from all sources of the family should be less than 8 lakh. Come to the next one, criteria for class 2. Here again the same, minimum 35% marks in class 1, and the course name is for the class 2, all genders. Again the income will be same as 8 less than 8 lakh rupees, the all sources. For the criteria for class 3, the minimum 35% in class 2, and all genders, and again here the income should be less than 8 lakh rupees. And the last criteria for fourth class, again the minimum 35% in the class 3 and all genders, and the income should be less than 8 lakhs. So it is first standard to fourth standard, and the scholarship has been announced on 13th September 2021, and it is valid up to 12 October 2021. The scholarship amount will be disbursed will be 30,000 rupees. 30,000 rupees. Yes, and similarly, I have brought it the questions also. Who should apply? Yes, the student pursuing from first standard to fourth standard. Which courses are covered under this scheme? That is first standard to fourth standard. Whether it is compulsory to apply, applicant have a bank account? Yes, the applicant has to have a bank account. If he is not having his own, then he should have a joint account with its parents. Any preference to the caste? No, it is open for all. It is only the criteria will be income, and second one is merit. Is the gender based scholarship? No, it is irrespective of gender, it can apply. What is the maximum scholarship amount? That is the 30,000 will be granted. And now what are the documents will be required or to be uploaded? The first one, applicant's passport size photograph. Proof of identity. Yes, what with the proof of identity is there? Aadhaar card, school I-card is there, that is the best one, or Aadhaar card, these are there. The proof of address is Aadhaar card, ration card, your electricity bill, light or telephone bill, or leaves and license agreement is there, or your bank passbook, or if your death certificate, anyone has been death is there in the family, then the death certificate, and the student's parents bank passbook, or it has to be KYC has to be done. It is combined, students as well as parent bank passbook. The current year's fee receipt, fee structure, previous year mark sheet, domicile certificate, and income certificate. So these are the things which is required, and all these documents has to be uploaded, and they have to be scanned in a clear and high resolution, and must be in JPG or PNG file format. Keep in mind these things has to be done, and then once you have been uploaded all these things, there will be a terms and condition is there. The company has made a terms and condition. Hereby I confirm that the fund provided toward my education by Alchem Foundation under their CSR expenditure will be used for education purpose only, and all the information provided above is true to the best of my knowledge. So whatever the information you have been provided, it should be true now. It should not be any false, or there should be anything has been false has been taken place. Your scholarship will be withdrawn, or your scholarship application will be cancelled, and it will be reported to your school authorities, so that you cannot apply for the other scholarship. So keep in mind, this is a very, very important one. So those who are interested and they have any problem, they can contact to this person who has been looking for this particular scholarship from the Vidya Sarthi. He is Mr. Rajesh. He is going to look out this particular scholarship. And if you have any queries, they can write down the email to vidyasarthi@nsdl.co.in. And if you have grievances again, you can write down vidyasarthi@nsdl.co.in. And now those who are interested, they wanted to go and apply for this scholarship, you have to go to this portal, Vidya Sarthi portal. This is the portal page is there. So on this page you will have to come apply for the scholarship. Before that, here there is the two things are there, login and sign up. So those newcomers are there, they have to first sign up on this particular Vidya Sarthi with the help of your mobile and your Facebook or Gmail or Google account. You can make out your detail. You will get the PIN number, put it out. You will get open your account, and from there you have to click this particular button, apply for the scholarship. You can apply. Yes, how to create the account. This is the click. If you make out, sign up will be there. You have to make the sign up, and you have to upload it all the information, and their address for this particular scholarship is there. Times Tower, first floor, Kamala Mills Compound, Lower Parel, Mumbai 400013, telephone number 02240904481. And in the if you want to contact them, then you have to contact between the office hours Monday to Friday 9:30 to 6 a.m. And if you want to make any fax should be 02224915217. If you want to make the email ID, then email ID is vidyasarthi@nsdl.co.in. And these are the four different scholarship. That is the Sri Sampada Singh Scholarship Program for students studying in class 1. Then Sri Sampada Singh Scholarship Program for students studying pursuing class 2. Then Sri Sampada Singh Scholarship Program for students pursuing class 3, and Sri Sampada Singh Scholarship Program for the students pursuing class 4. I have compiled together so that there is no need to make a separate videos. So in a one video I have been made first standard to fourth standard, so it will become easy. Those who are interested, those who are eligible, they can apply. I request all the principals, teachers, that the what we have the viewers are there, then what we have NGOs are there. Try to pass on these scholarship to the deserving candidates so that they can apply, and those who are there in the crisis, with this particular support, they can continue the education of their students. I hope from my side I clear. Thank you. Have a nice day.